You can't go wrong with a bouquet of flowers. How can you make it even more beautiful? I'm going to show you the Hanataba Tsutsumi method. Hanataba means flower bouquet in Japanese. I'm using the red flowers print from our garden collection. Lay a furoshiki with a printed side down and fold over the edge at the top, about an inch or slightly more. Place flowers in the center. Then bring these two corners of the folded edge and make a bow. Take the two ends, each going around the flowers, crossed on the back. Make a bow slightly below the first bow. Here is a beautiful flower bouquet with a Hanataba Tsutsumi.